Are you ready to make money online? Stay tuned because in today's video, you can earn up to $80 a day just by typing. You've heard that right. And we will show you how you can effortlessly set this up so by the end of this video, you'll essentially be a pro and on the way to financial independence. We know that videos involving several websites might be complicated and confusing, but stay with us because this video is especially for beginners who have never made money online. Follow all of the instructions in this video and you will be successful in no time. Before we go further into this video, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. We will show you how to make money quickly in a few moments by presenting the best and most effective platforms. So if you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. With this new video, keep in mind that we release new content about making money online daily. So make sure to stay tuned whenever we release new content so you can be the first to try it out. The first website that we'll tackle in today's video is Transcribeme.com. It is a site that offers transcription services by allowing people to hire transcribers for their videos. If you're not familiar with transcribing, in this case, it will be an act of writing or typing the words you hear from a video. And it is relatively easy to do. You'll just need to watch the video and type the words as you go. If you decide to make an account, you will have ample opportunity to advance professionally. Now, everyone will begin as transcribers, but as you accumulate your experiences, more job positions will be open for you. Transcribeme also gives you a ton of benefits, just like how you can select your working hours and location. You can also interact with people from all around the globe, but most importantly, you will earn money weekly. To add to that, the website has this fantastic feature where jobs will be delivered to you. You wouldn't have to search for them actively. You just have to transcribe what they give you anytime and anywhere you wish. You can transcribe it in your garden, at the beach, and even at school. You don't require any expertise or any investment, and Transcribeme services extend to any country in the world, so you wouldn't have to worry about those. Additionally, you'll only be tasked to create transcriptions for 2 to 4 minute clips. They take into consideration the well-being of their transcribers, so they only give short bits for you to work on. As you can see, this website has lots of advantages to offer. To sign up for a free account, click on this form below and proceed with the registration process. You only need to fill these spaces with personal details such as your first and last name, email address, and password. After confirming your password, you'll be asked to put an email address that is connected to your PayPal, which means that you'll be paid using PayPal. Then you'll be asked about your location, time zone, and preferred gender and language. You also need to indicate your employment status and your transcription experience. The remaining questions are optional, however, we still recommend that you answer them. Now, ticking this box will agree to their terms of service and privacy policy. Finally, click the Create Profile button. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly after this. The next step will be completing their brief training course and exam. The applicants that have successfully passed this course will be automatically accepted and given their task. In some cases, people are placed on a short waitlist during the process, but don't worry because it usually doesn't take long. Transcribeme has a lot of demand for transcribers because they are partners with a lot of companies that need these transcriptions. Once the registration is through, all you have to do is start typing and earn this sweet cash. Do you like this video? Don't be shy and hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you find this video helpful and entertaining, share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Another website that I would like to discuss would be Rev.com. It is similar to Transcribeme, mainly because it is a website where the freelancers use to get transcribing works. Now, if you doubt this website's legitimacy, know that over 170,000 clients trust it from all sorts of industries. Some of these are large companies like CBS, PDS, TCM, and Viacom. And if you just know that these legitimate companies would not support a scam. Your earnings will depend on what task you will do. You are offered 3 options in Rev: transcription, English captions, or foreign language subtitles. Basic transcribing and English captioning will pay you $1.25 per minute. At the same time, when you choose to write subtitles for other languages, you'll make $3 to $7 per video minute. The third task will give you more money. However, it is also the hardest to do since you'll need to translate the video, so clearly it is not for everyone. To proceed to the sign-up process, just scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Become a Freelancer. This will direct you to a new page where you can register for a free account. You just need to fill out with your first and last names, an email address, and a password. You can disregard the section that asks for a company and simply leave it blank. Then uncheck this box so you won't receive the marketing and promotional emails. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy by ticking the second box. Finally, you can go ahead and click the Create Account button, and then you'll have your new and free account. Signing up in Rev does not require any skill or payments, but a large number of freelancers are already using the site. This means that you would not receive jobs often. As a bonus, let us introduce you to this website that will help you transcribe more efficiently. You can visit the site at typingtest.com. As you can see from its name, this is a platform to test your typing skills. And you don't have to worry because the tests they offer are very easy and will only take a minute to accomplish. If you see these two drop-down boxes, you can see that you can set up the test however you like. You can change how long the test takes and what type it will be. We recommend just taking the standard class, so select a 1-minute test with medium difficulty. Once you're done with that, click this box so that you'll be taken to the test page. Now all you need to do is type the words you see on your screen. Do it as fast and accurately as you can. However, it would help if you don't rush because it will increase the likelihood of you making a mistake. The timer will start as soon as you type in the first letter. After you finish the test, your results will be immediately shown to you. As you can see, you have the typing speed and accuracy numbers. If you multiply these two, you get your net typing speed. This digit will most likely influence how much you'll be able to earn in this strategy. If you're not happy with the result you've got, we recommend that you take one of their typing courses. If you practice enough, you can double your net typing speed and thus double your earnings. That's all for now. Feel free to watch this video again to serve as your guide as you start to earn money online. What do you think about these websites? Does it seem like an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it'll be able to replace primary income jobs in the future? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you love similar concepts like this, make sure to take a look at our other videos. If you like it, please hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to keep yourself updated. We'll see you in the following video.